And see that the third main question in that exercise 8.4, the first one, sin square 63 plus sin square 27 divided by cos square 17 and cos square 73 is there. So look at these two angles here, 63 plus 27, they are a complementary angle. 63 plus 27, it is giving you 90 degree. So you will, let us convert this, one of these two, let us change it now. Now I write sin square 63 as it is, sin square 63. Instead of sin square 27, I will write cos square 90 minus 27. Sin theta is nothing but cos 90 minus theta. So you can write here cos square 90 minus 27, it's complementary angle. So similarly, this I will change it. So this I will change it as sin square 90 minus 17 and I will keep this as it is, cos square 73. Sum of these two, 17 plus 73 is also 90 degree. These two are also complementary. Among this we are changing one angle, one ratio. Now it is giving you the sin square 63, let us write as it is, sin square 63 plus, now this one cos square 90 minus 27 means it is cos square 63 only, divided by, so here sin square 90 minus 17 is same as sin square 73 degree. 90 minus 17, it is 73 degree. So keep this cos square 73 as it is, cos square 73. So now look at this, a numerator, it is similar to an identity. We have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So use this identity and substitute here. Sin square 67 plus cos square 67, it is same as sin square theta plus cos square theta. You can write here 1. And similarly, sin square 73, cos square 73 is also in this form only. In place of theta, we have 73 degree. So 1 by 1. So answer is 1. So this is the solution. So look at this, among this, these two are complementary, these two are complementary, one you can change according to our convenience. So remember this, we need to convert sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity I wanted to use here. So therefore, I kept this sin square as it is. Here sin 27, I wrote it as cos square 90 minus 27. So you will get sin square theta, cos square theta. Similarly, this is cos square 17, I converted into sin square 73 degree and cos square 73 as it is. So both the numerator and denominator is equal to 1. So answer is 1. So we'll go to the next second question. Sin 25 cos 65. Cos 25 sin 65. Look at this, 25 and 65 gives you 90 degree. Here also. So now among these two I am going to change 1. Here also I am going to change 1. So you should get an identity related to the sin square theta plus cos square theta only I should get here. By looking this I can judge like that. You should be able to convert this as sin square theta and this as cos square theta. I want this in terms of sin square theta. I will keep sin 25 as it is. Sin 25 as it is. Cos, I take this complementary angle. So cos 90 minus 65. Cos theta, sorry, this is sin 90, cos theta is same as sin 90 minus theta. Then this I will keep this cos 25 as it is. Now you change this cos 65, sin 65. Sin theta is same as cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta, here it is 65. So now sin 25 into sin 90 minus 65, it is again sin 25 plus cos 25 into, this is also cos 90 minus 65, it is cos 25. So now sin 25, sin square 25 degree, cos 25, cos 25, it is cos square 25 degree. So it is in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta, therefore it is equal to 1. So you can write, the answer is 1. The fourth main is like this, choose the correct option and justify your choice. So there is a question and options are given, you have to find out the correct option here. So let us solve this one. 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A. So when you look at this, you can take 9 common here. So 9, if you take common 9 secant square, 9 you have taken common, therefore what is left out inside secant square A minus tan square A. So this is 9 into, this is 1 and it is equal to 1. Why it is equal to 1? So we have 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. This is an identity we have learned. Trans square A transfer, 1 is equal to secant square A minus tan square A. So in place of this, you can write 1. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Using this identity, so you have found out that secant square A minus tan square is equal to 1. So 9 into 1, it is 9. The option is B. B is the correct option. Here the given question 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Here 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So let me convert this in terms of sin and cos. So this becomes 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. And 1 plus this will become cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. We have taken the reciprocals now. So here LCM here, cos theta is LCM. What happens? This will become cos theta plus cos theta gets cancelled, you get sin theta plus 1. So the numerator cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. And here LCM here sin theta. When you take the LCM sin theta into 1 sin theta plus sin theta gets cancelled, you will get cos theta. Again cos sin theta cancels, you will get minus 1. Now all of you look here. Cos theta plus sin theta and sin theta plus cos theta both are same only. We have sin theta plus cos theta. So I will write one more step. Instead of writing this, sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. We rearrangement. Then the numerator here, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by this product, sin theta into cos theta. Multiply these two and multiply these two, that's all. This I have written sin theta plus cos theta plus 1, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, denominator sin theta and cos theta. Look at this, sin theta plus cos theta same, here also it is same. Here plus 1 and minus 1. This is similar to an identity A plus B and A minus B. This is A plus B, this is A minus B. It is equal to A square minus B square. A square here, sin theta plus cos theta, whole square, A square, minus B square means this is A plus B, A minus B, B value here 1. So therefore you can write 1 square divided by sin theta into cos theta. The denominator we have written as it is. So now simplify the numerator now. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square, you can apply A plus B whole square formula. So A square means sin square theta, B square means cos square theta plus 2AB, 2 sin theta into cos theta. This minus 1 square means 1. So the expansion of these three terms, sin square theta plus cos square theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, A square plus B square 2AB. The last minus 1 square will give you minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Look at this two terms, it is similar to an identity. In place of this I can write 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta, this as it is, and minus 1 as it is, divided by sin theta into cos theta. In the numerator we have plus 1 and minus 1 cancels. You are left with 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now you can cancel sin theta, cos theta. So you are left with only 2. The answer is 2. The correct option is C. C is the correct option. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. So it is in terms of sin A, it is secant A tan A. You convert that into sin and cos. So in the LHS, look at this, secant A can be written as 1 by cos A plus tan A can be written as sin A by cos A into, then this you write as it is 1 minus sin A. Now here LCM you take, cos A is LCM. So once cos A is LCM means it becomes 1 plus sin A. Then this numerator 1 minus sin A as it is. Multiply this 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. So this two product divided by cos A. So 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. A square minus B square. A square minus 1 square minus B square means sin square A divided by cos A. 1 square means 1 only. So it gives you 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. You have 1 minus sin square A, it is equal to 1, you know. So because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So transfer sin square A to the that side. Cos square A will be equal to 1 minus sin square A. Okay, so using this identity, so you can write 1 minus sin square A as cos square A. So in the numerator you can write cos square A and denominator we have already cos A. Denominator only cos A. So cos square A by cos A. Cancel this one with the square. So you will get only the cos A option. Cos A is option D. This is the solution. Look at this. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. There are 4 options. So you can write this 1 plus tan square A as it is. So let us convert this in terms of tan. 1 plus cot square A, it is the reciprocal of tan. So I can write tan square A, 1 by tan square A. Because numerator is in terms of tan, therefore let us convert the denominator also in terms of tan. So this is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So take the LCM in the denominator. Tan square A is LCM. So this becomes tan square A plus 1. Now simplify this. 1 plus tan square A you write as it is. Then if you take the reciprocal, this becomes tan square A will go to the numerator divided by tan square A plus 1. Tan square A plus 1. Both are same. 1 plus tan square A and tan square A plus 1 both are same, cancels. So your answer is tan square A. So option D. The question like this: prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. So here angles, whatever the angles given is acute angles. So you can use the identities which we have learned. So and prove these identities. So this equation left hand side should be equal to right hand side. We have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. Either you take the LHS and reach RHS, or take the RHS and reach the LHS. Anything you can do. So now let me take LHS and reach the RHS now. So LHS here, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So you can apply A minus B whole square here. Okay, A minus B whole square formula here. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to left hand side. So this is cosec square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 cosec theta into cot theta. Okay. So now use the identity and solve this one. We have an identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So here cosec square theta you can write 1 plus cot square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 cosec theta into cot theta. So this 1 plus 2 cot square theta minus 2 cosec theta into cot theta. This one to cos theta. Everything is in terms of cos, right hand side. So let us change this cot. 1 plus 2 cos square theta by sin square theta minus 2 divided by 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta by sin theta. So now we simplify this. 1 plus 2 cos square theta, LCM is 2 cos square theta by sin square theta minus 2 cos theta divided by sin square theta. Take LCM. Sin square theta is the LCM. So sin square theta into 1, it is sin square theta. Sin square theta cancels, you will get 2 cos square theta minus cancels 2 cos theta. Okay. So now what you can do, sin square, here we have sin square theta, you write as it is, plus 2 cos square theta, you can split this one. Cos square theta plus cos square theta. Then minus 2 cos theta divided by sin square theta. So this you can write 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta divided by sin square theta. Okay. So now 1 plus cos square theta 2 cos theta. It is similar to the formula 1 minus cos theta whole square. You can write this numerator as 1 minus cos theta whole square. Numerator. Expand this one. A square 1 square b square plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab 2 into a into b. It is similar to 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. You can write as it is. Now this sin square theta you have to convert in terms of cos. We have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta you keep here, transfer cos square theta to the right side, it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sin square theta, I can write 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by this 1 minus cos square theta. Now this is the form of a square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square. A square minus b square. You write this as it is whole square. Apply this a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So you can cancel 1 minus cos theta with the square. There are 2 1 minus cos theta. Here denominator 1 minus cos theta. Now you are left with only numerator 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is the RHS required. In another method also you can do this. Take this LCM, LHS like this. LHS of this question is this one. You convert this into sin and cos. 1 by sin theta minus this will become cos theta by sin theta whole square. Because you want to convert everything into cos there in the RHS. Now take the LCM here. Sin theta is LCM. Sin theta is LCM. Then this becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square. This is very easy. Look at this now. Then you split this one. Whole square is there. It becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. Okay. So we reach within a step now. Sin square theta we have 1 minus cos theta you write as that is whole square divided by, you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So therefore sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So this we have used here. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now this 1 minus cos theta whole square you write as this. Denominator a square minus b square. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so this 1 minus cos theta with the square it cancels, you will get 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Very easy. So how you can get this one? Cosec theta minus cot theta. We wanted to prove this 1 minus cos and 1 plus cos. So therefore you convert this into sin and cos now. 1 by sin, cos by sin. So this is very easy. You can do like this also. Sometimes you may get the idea a minus b whole square, then it becomes lengthy, and but you will get the answer whatever the method you follow. Sometimes somebody will convert in terms of here itself they convert sin and cos and they will get the answer like this. So whatever the method you follow, if you use this, follow the steps systematically, final answer will be reaching. Whether you use a minus b whole square formula, then simplify, or here itself you simplify, then apply this whole square. So there also you will get the answer. Whatever the method you follow, but follow it systematically without any mistakes, you will reach the final answer. This the given question cos a divided by 1 plus sin a, cos 1 plus sin a divided by cos a, and it is equal to 2 secant a. Let us take the LHS here and simplify. So get the RHS now. LHS here, you can simplify the left hand side. So I can take the LCM here. So LCM here, 1 plus sin a into cos a. This is LCM, product of these two. So now cancel this 1 plus c sin a cancels, you will get cos a into cos a, it gives you cos square a. Plus, now cos a cancels, you will get 1 plus sin a the whole square. Now you simplify this, apply a plus b whole square formula here. Otherwise, what I will do, cos square a can be written as, in terms of sin I will convert. Cos square a can be written as 1 minus sin square a. So I will write 1 minus sin square a. This I have written 1 minus sin square a plus 1 plus sin a whole square divided by, keep this as it is, 1 plus sin a into cos a. Is it clear? I have converted only this cos square a as 1 minus sin square a. Remaining thing I have written as it is. Now this can be written as 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a. 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. The remaining thing as it is, 1 plus sin a whole square divided by, I will write this 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay, see what I done. So this I expanded, 1 minus sin square a, I converted this into 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a. Okay, now in this we have two terms. This is one term, this is another term. We have 1 plus sin a common in both, in the numerator. So let me take that as common. 1 plus sin a is common. If I take common, what is left out here? 1 plus sin a, if I take common, in the first term we are getting 1 minus sin a. So let me write 1 minus sin a. 1 minus sin a. So now in the second term, we have 1 plus sin a 2 times, square is there. So therefore plus, I will write 1 plus sin a. So once you take 1 plus sin a common here, so here you are getting 1 minus sin a. Here we have 2 1 plus sin a. If you take 1, 1 will remain, 1 plus sin a will remain. And the denominator, let me write as it is. So denominator 1 plus sin a into cos a. Can you tell me what can be the next step? Can you do what can be done here?
We can cancel 1 plus sin a.
1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a you can cancel. Then minus sin a plus sin a can be cancelled here. So you are getting only plus 1 and plus 1, 2 divided by cos a. So now you split this one, 2 into 1 by cos a. 2 into 1 by cos a. Reciprocal of cos a. What is cos a? Reciprocal of cos a? It is secant a. This is the required RHS. So we reach this to secant a. That is the final answer.